Why is everything so complicated? I know I scare you, but I'm there to be your friend. I see you standing over there and it's making me so frustrated. Cause if I meet you, well, I can teach you how it ends. See you in the moonlight, it's a feeling I can't fight. Wish you knew what it feels like, feels like. I'm addicted to your love, but I'm allergic to your touch, and I just can't get enough. Maybe once I won't blow up, feel my heart begin to beat, but it's made of TNT. The excitement's killing me. Maybe once I bums me out that we gotta be separated. Cause you're a keeper, but a creeper can't have friends. And it ain't your fault that I ended up detonated. I'm getting lonely, if we could only just pretend. If it would be